deviled eggs. That's what I'm going to show you how to make. They're great at the holiday season for an appetizer. Life with me, Gina Marie. Take some room temperature eggs and cover them with some cool water. Let them boil for 10 minutes. Whatever comes first, the 10 minutes or the boil, as soon as it starts to boil, turn it off. And let it set for 3 minutes. Take it over to your sink after that and get rid of that warm water and add some cool water just so that it makes the eggs a little cooler so we can peel them. And they're good to eat when they're warm too. I'm gonna save one of these for my little doggy. Make my eggs. I have to go down here. And see the girls. And I might take an egg for them. Okay. And sit. Sit, Piper. Sit. Hey, sit down. Let's see. Can we see them? Can we see both of you? Come here. Sit. Come here, Lori. All right. They really like their eggie, don't they? I like that. How about Laura? Come here, Laurie. Oh, okay, that was good. How about Piper? Wait a minute, Laurie. Good girls. Good girls. Look up. Pretty girl. Good girl. Come here, Piper. Oh, they're such good girls. How about a kiss from Mommy? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. All right, give me a kiss. Kiss. Okay, here you go. I'll give you another piece of eggie. Sit, Piper. Good girl. Oh, the best part. I'm gonna have to share that with you. Oh, geez, it all crumbled and fell apart. There you go. Here, Laurie. Come here, Piper. Come here. Oh, they share. They're lovers. I'm sorry about that. Oh, well. Love my girls. Well, washed my hands here. Now back to work, making my deviled eggs. They peeled kind of pitty this time, but they'll still look pretty once it's all together. And they all taste the same when you're done. Scrape out what you can't get, but they should pop right out. Just like that. Oops, teared one. You won't notice once I get all the pretty stuff in there. I'll eat that one first. I'm gonna mix it up and put about 2 or 3 tablespoons, depending on how many eggs you have and how creamy you want it. I keep it kind of simple. Mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Mix it real well, and I like a little tang, so I'm gonna add a little bit of regular mustard, but you could add spicy mustard too if you want. Mix it real good. Oops, my camera's, got it together. We're gonna just spoon it, nice and easy. I like to do it quick because we eat these all the time. We love them. They're so good at holidays too. I'm gonna get my favorite paprika, which is hot. I know everybody doesn't like hot, so you don't need to do that, but we love it. Don't they look lovely? And you can eat them any time of the day. Or you can put them on a nice table runner for Christmas with your other appetizers. And keep them refrigerated. They're good for a couple days. Life with me, Gina Marie. Look for me on Facebook for my recipes in my playlist. Also YouTube and Instagram. If you're interested in the quilted table runners, please call or contact Beth at rightfullyso1@gmail.com. Strive to be happy and enjoy your day.